How to download CapCut in laptop. Want to edit videos on your laptop? Let's download CapCut in under a minute. So first visit the official website of CapCut, and then from here go ahead and look for the download button. So always download from CapCut.com for safety. Now choose your operating system and then click download for free. Now, once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts. And then launch CapCut, start a new project, and begin editing right away. Downloading CapCut on laptop is quick, safe, and free. It's perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube creators. And that is how to download CapCut in laptop.